Now starting with the questions, the first question that you are going to get is find the profit or loss percent. Now in this kind of question, first we have to decide whether it is a case of profit or loss. Okay. Look for the cost price. Cost price is given 1000 and selling price is 1100. As you can see, SP is greater than CP. When SP is greater than CP, it is a case of profit. So profit will be SP minus CP. SP is rupees 1100 minus CP is rupees 1000. So profit comes out to be rupees 100. Our motive was not to find profit. Our motive is to find profit percent. So formula profit percent is equal to, we can say it gain percent as well. Profit and gain both are same. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Profit was 100 rupees. What was CP? Rupees 1000 into 100. This 1 0 cancels with this 0. This 0 cancels with this 0. We are left with 100 upon 10 and comes out to be 10%. In this way, you are going to do your first question. Now in the next kind of question, we are going to use these two formulas. SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. In the same way, if loss is there, we will use minus sign. So in these kind of questions, CP is given, gain is given 10%, we have to find SP. In case of gain, which formula will be used? The first formula. So SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. Now put the values. 100, what was gain percent? 10 upon 100 into, what was CP? CP was given 100 rupees. So 110, 100 plus 10 gives you 110 upon 100 into 100. This 100 cancels with 100 and you will get rupees 110. So this is your selling price. In this way you can solve. If loss is given, minus will be there. In the third kind of question, we have to find the cost price. As you all know, the formula for the cost price, these two are the formulas. When gain is there, we will add. When loss is there, the negative sign is there. Now in the question, SP is given rupees 330. Gain is given 10%. We have to find the CP. Just which formula we will use? The gain formula, the first one. Put the values in the formula. 100 upon 100 plus gain. Here gain is 10%. Into CP, into SP. What is given SP? 330. So CP comes out to be 100 upon 100 plus 10, 110 into 330. Now we have to solve this. 0 cancel with 0. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Now multiply this. 100 into 3 comes out to be 300. So CP is rupees 300. In this way, if loss is there, you just have to put the value in the second formula and get the answer.